Welcome to another adventure with Getting Lost. We are here along Middle Road to eat some food, but as I was here, I noticed something very interesting. Yep, what I saw was vending machines. Just so many vending machines here. Some interesting ones too. Let me just show you some of the more interesting ones. So we are actually at Sunshine Plaza, where there are lots of printing shops here that do printing, and next to it is also NAFA, which is the Nanyang Academy of Fine Arts. And I believe the vending machines are because of this. A lot of students here, so students would spend more money on vending machines, have irregular timings, so vending machines, and are not so picky with their food, so vending machines. And because of that, this plaza took advantage of that and put in vending machines, and of course printing services, but that's not because of vending machines. So there are also a lot of eateries here. That's why I came here to eat some food. And you have your usual drinks vending machines, like this one here from Poca, which is a brand of drinks. And at the end there is actually your usual orange juice machine. They squeeze orange juice. But here, this is the world's first Norwegian salmon ATM. So you can actually buy salmon fillet, frozen of course, and you can buy it here to be eaten. I do not know where or how you're going to defrost your salmon, but it is available here to be bought. Norwegian salmon from Norwegia, Norway, sorry. Yep, Norwegia. And then you also have Teh Botol, which is actually an Indonesian company. So yep, they sell Teh Botol here, and the price here is very cheap, which is only like $1 for the drinks. And then look at that, they also sell mask. They also have fruit tea, which is like, tastes a bit like Pokka green tea or Pokka teas. So if you are here, buy from the machine, not from the 7-Eleven. The 7-Eleven is much more expensive. Then next up is this, a wash box. So you can actually do your laundry here too. So you sign up, I think probably there's an app, then you drop off here, you notify them, and then you come here to pick up when it's done. So what the fuck? You can now do laundry in a machine with apps. Oh, so high tech, don't you think? And then of course you have the hot food machine, which is this one here from Bobo. So you have different types of like fish ball, you have chicken, you have a lot of different type of variety hot food items you can onboard right here. So there is the machine touch screen where you can press it and then select what you want, then make payment, and then I think the food will pop out here, or at least I assume so. This is my first time trying, you know. So they also give you a timer. So we got some chicken with cheese sauce, and hopefully the food will pop up here. And here it tells you how to use it. You can make payment by your usual touch methods, coins, dollars. Yep. Ooh, here it comes. Ooh. Honestly, doesn't look very nice. Looks a bit like frozen food reheated in a microwave. But with cheese sauce, it doesn't taste half bad. Then you also have this Pop Mart box here, which is actually a vending machine that sells you small little figurines that come in these little boxes. Yep. So you like the normal here, touch screen here to choose, and then you can have this type of little figurines. Yep. Yep. It comes out here in the little hole here. Isn't that amazing now? You can buy so many things. Then I went to Boogies Plus. Next to this escalator there are some more vending machines right at Boogies Plus. So what's the plus of these vending machines? That is a bit unusual. Well, you have a foosball machine, and you have also the little pop, the figurine ATM machine again. But next to it are two different types of vending machines. Yes, on my right, the green color one is a coconut vending machine, and on my right is a sugarcane juice machine. So here is the coconut. It's all wrapped up individually. I think they cost at this moment now $3.50 for one. For coconut, I guess that is a bit expensive, but okay price if you are craving coconut. And then you use a touch screen, and then you somehow pop it and then put your straw in to drink. But what I'm really interested in is this sugarcane machine, which is supposed to be the first of its kind in here, I guess. And of course, touch screen again, making payment, and you can see the machinery in there. Look at that. That's where the sugarcane comes out and then get crunch. But at the moment, it is out of order. And then of course at Boogies Junction, which is also nearby, which is right next behind over there, the stairs over there. The first machine is a EasyLink machine. So now, I don't know if you know, besides having the EasyLink card, you also have tokens and toggles that you can actually buy from here, you know, with different types of design, like Sanrio designs, or maybe other kinds of designs, you know, as you can see here, Pokemon. And then you can use this to travel on the MRT or buses. So this is one of the ways to customize your own EasyLink card. I think you have this in Korea or Japan. They do use it very often. And then next to it, there's also this machine here that sells basically small little pots of cactus, which cost you maybe $50, and then also small little bouquets. Yeah, so $20, $15, $25. A bit expensive, but I guess if you come to on a date and you forgot to buy flowers, you have no choice, you know. So this vending machine is useful for that. And of course, I've just shown you a bit of the new vending machines that I noticed in Singapore. I hope you enjoyed it. Like, share, and subscribe. I do a lot of food videos and also exploring Singapore videos. You may be interested in that. Look into my playlist. And lastly, but the most important thing, join me for my next adventure. I also have a Patreon and I also have PayPal. Support me on those, and or watch some old videos. I guess that's about all. See you guys around. Bye bye.